In this video, I'll show you how to turn on subtitles or captions in Netflix, as well as how to customize their appearance. Let's say you're watching a show, for example, The Walking Dead. While the show is playing, move your mouse or tap on the screen, and a menu will appear. From here, select the Subtitles option, then choose the language you want, for example, English. Your subtitles will now appear on screen. That's the quick way to enable them. But what if you want to change how they look? Maybe the font size, color, or background. Here's how to do that. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Account. Scroll down until you find Subtitle Appearance. In this section, you can adjust the font style, shadow, text color, text size, small, medium, or large, and even the background or window color. Once you've made your changes, click Save, then go back to Netflix. The next time you play a show or movie, your subtitles will appear with the style you selected. And that's it. Turning on and customizing subtitles in Netflix is that simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.